Hi friends, I am Professor Manoj Kadam and I am going to teach you a small topic on engineering mechanics. Basically, engineering mechanics has two types, statics as well as dynamics. In statics, we apply conditions of equilibrium. That stands all the forces acting on a system is supposed to be zero. Now, we have pick one topic named as beams. What do you mean by beams? Is a member subjected to transverse loading only. Let's check it out. At a point A, roller is kept. For roller, only one reaction comes, that is VA at a point A. V stands for vertical reaction at T. At a point B, one couple is acting, couple senses anti-clockwise direction. So we have kept this as it is. C to D, there is a trapezoidal types of loading is there, where at a point C, intensity of load is 20 kN per meter and at a point D is 80 kN per meter. So for the free body diagram, we have to split this particular load into two parts. One is rectangular and another one is triangular. So if I consider rectangular part first, where base having 6 meters and intensity is 20. So it will act exactly at the center, that is 6 into 20 is 120. Unit of force is kilonewton. So this will act exactly at the middle, that is 3 meter from both the ends, C as well as D. For triangular load, wherever it forms 90 degree from that point, L by 3, so length is 6, 6 by 3 is 2 meters. So point D, 2 meters apart, triangular load comes. What is the area of triangle is? Half. Base is 6 and height is, this is 20, so 80 minus 20 is 60. So it comes as 180 kilonewton. At a point E, vertical load is going to act, that is value of 10 kilonewton, and at a point F, hinge reactions comes. For hinge reactions, two reactions we will consider, one is vertical and another one is horizontal. Our aim is to find reaction at point A. Let's check it out. Given that reaction at point F is 0, that means all the forces acting at a point F is 0. Our target is to find reaction at A. By the conditions of equilibrium, we will take moment of all the forces at the point F equal to 0. This is known as conditions of equilibrium. What do you mean by conditions of equilibrium? All the active and reactive forces on the system is 0. So when we take moment at point F, anti-clockwise moment as plus, first force that going to turn is 10 kilonewton. So with respect to F, 10 kilonewton is going to turn like this, which is clockwise sense. So clockwise we considered as minus. Force is 10 and distance from F is 1. Moment is force into distance. Similarly, another force which is 180 kilonewton, with respect to F, it generates anti-clockwise sense. So we consider anti-clockwise sense as plus. Force is 180 and again from point F, distance is 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4 meters. Similarly, next force is 120 kilonewton. So from point F, it is 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 5. So I take over here, force is 120 into 5. Moment is force into perpendicular distance. Next one is couple. Its sense is anti-clockwise direction. So we consider anti-clockwise sense as plus, we will consider only its value as m. And last force is VA. So I consider with respect to F, this force generates a sense in a clockwise direction. So we consider clockwise as minus, force is VA and distance from A to F is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 6, 8 plus 2, that is 10 equal to 0. We are trying to satisfy the conditions of equilibrium. So when we solve this on a calculator, you will get answer of VA as 132 kilonewton. Direction is upwards. To learn and enjoy the subject thoroughly by our experienced and skilled faculty, please join Vidyalanka Centers. Thank you.